Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a super quick and easy messy bun. When I do my messy buns, I like to have some texture in my hair, so this is about day 2, 3 hair, and I used a waver on it. Straight hair you can do a messy bun, but the more texture, the better. It's gonna give it a messier look and more undone look. So my messy bun's gonna be pretty big because I have 3 rows of extensions, but you can still do this with no extensions in your hair. So I like to use these little cord hair ties, and then I also like to use a scrunchie. I'm gonna be using 2 different hair ties just because I do have a lot of hair, but you could always use one. I don't use a brush to brush up my hair. I kind of just gather it all in my hands and then kind of just rake it up with my fingers. The messier, the better. That's like what we're going for. So kind of just throwing it up. So now that I have it all up here in a ponytail, I'm gonna take my hair tie, pull it over like this, and I'm not gonna go all the way through. I'm gonna go halfway through, twist it, and go over again. So you should have something crazy like this, and then you're gonna kind of pull it apart. And then you can leave it like that, but this is where I like to take like a scrunchie or another hair tie, and I just go right over like that, and then scrunch it out. You can like do twice, but I feel like that's sometimes makes it too tight. But then I like to just pull it out, kind of look at it, and then pull out the sides by my ears, a little by my face, whatever you like. That's how I do my quick and easy messy bun. I mean, you don't want to put a lot of thought into this hairstyle. It's supposed to be messy and undone, so just kind of throw it up with some hair ties, wrap it around, and you should have something cute.